Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nazmus Sakib. I got admitted in a British university, namely University of Ulster. My subject is MSc International Business with Advanced Practice. I got 24% scholarship on my total tuition fees. For this journey, from the very first and from the very beginning, I am having an immense support from Education Hub Limited. Education Hub Limited is the official representative of branches of university in United Kingdom. For availing a British student visa is really a tough journey, I would say. So don't lose your patience. If you are in a travel or your file processing is pending from university or from UKVI, I believe the success must come, and you have to keep faith on Almighty. So don't lose your hope. And the journey is really challenging, and the student who really wants to take challenge, abroad is the best destination for them for their higher study. I want to share a very interesting thing that I experienced in my interview time from UKVI. A British woman, she was taking my interview, and while talking, I was just getting some flow. As it's a system, I have to go in a slow way because they type the every words on a computer. So I was getting flow, and meanwhile on the time, so whenever I was in a flow, my talking was in a very quick. So on the time, she just told me, just stop, I am getting confused. So I was really, after whenever she just sounds like this, I was really getting so much nervous. But I overcome the situation, because they always try to confuse the student. So don't confused, just keep on your point, be confident, and just re-study yourself again. And that is the message from myself. The student who really wants to pursue his higher education from abroad, I would recommend you to come in Education Hub. The experienced staff of Education Hub is always here to support you. To get a proper discount or proper scholarship, a good amount of scholarship, you have to submit your file in a proper way, and you have to write a proper SOP, that means motivation letter. So to avail a good discount, I would recommend you to come Education Hub Limited, as they are the official representative of universities in UK. And please pray for me. Thank you so much.